Another very important property of Kangen water is the fact that it is microclustered. You see, water comes in clusters of molecules. And when we say that the water is microclustered, what that means is that these clusters are much smaller than regular water. Small enough in a microclustered format, small enough so that it can actually permeate our cell walls. And when it does that, now we can get the hydration that our body really needs, and at the same time be able to expel the toxins and flush them out of our bodies. So to kind of demonstrate this particular property, we're going to use this demonstration with green tea. And what I have here is I have just regular green tea, these tea bags that I'm going to put into these glasses here. And one glass, what I'm going to do is put Kangen water. In another glass, we're going to put regular water. Okay? So, for example, right here, I'm going to put regular water. And again, the water is at room temperature. Both of these, the tap water as well as the Kangen water, are at room temperature. And this will give you a very clear illustration of what happens when you have microclustered water. And you can see that already, right away, the Kangen water tea literally has made tea almost instantly. And I'm just going to go like this just so you can see that it's actually changing colors even much faster. And the nice thing about it also, when it is microclustered, is that it actually will increase the bioavailability of anything that you take it with and allow your body to utilize that and absorb it quickly. So here it is again demonstrating with Kangen water, and you can see how quickly it made that tea. Now when you're making tea at home with hot water, usually you can only make about 2 cups. And pretty much the tea bag is done. But as you can see here, I've already made 3 cups with using Kangen water, and here's the one with regular water. Now let me take this tea bag that was in the regular water, and I'm going to put it over here into the next glass, pour Kangen water, so you can see that there it is. It's made tea almost instantly because it's the water. Now likewise, let me take this tea bag from the Kangen water cup, put it over here, use tap water, and you're going to see that we get the same result as we did with the tap water previously, because regular water is not microclustered. So when you're drinking water that is not microclustered, like such as the Kangen water is, you're not really getting the hydration that you need, the hydration that you think you're getting. And that's why oftentimes we can feel full and bloated, because that water is just kind of sitting in our stomach rather than being absorbed. And we need that hydration. In fact, next to air, having water is the most important thing. Do you realize that you can go longer without food than you can water before you die? And that's because our organs need to be hydrated in order to continue functioning. So in order to get proper hydration, drink Kangen water that is microclustered, and it will be absorbed by your tissues and your organs immediately. And you're going to get the health benefits of true hydration.